try to log in with an existing account. So this is for someone who already has their username and password. You know what it is. Log in. Okay. I have an account, but I have not logged in over a year to this account. So it is going to ask me to review a certification statement. And this just is a statement that basically says that I understand that I'm to protect the privacy of all of the students for whose data I will be sharing information about. I certify that I have been designated an authorized official at the school. I will complete and ensure the completion of services outlined above. I have read the local participation agreement. If you haven't read that, you may want to click on that link and read it. You are agreeing to uphold all the terms within that agreement. You will not disseminate confidential or highly confidential information. These are all just acknowledgement statements that you understand that you are dealing with highly sensitive student data and information, and you will respect that information, will not share it, and will not leave your computer unguarded in such a way that someone else could steal that data. Okay, once you've read through all of that, you can check those boxes and click submit. And then you will be allowed to access your MAAPP dashboard.